In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer dollars to Nigeria Sendwave. If you already have the app installed and your account set up, you're all set. Go ahead and open the Sendwave app on your phone. On the home screen, you'll see your recent activity and a country selector at the top. That's where we'll start. Select Nigeria as the destination country. This tells the app where the money is going and sets the payout currency to Naira. Right away, you should see the current exchange rate and any applicable fees. Take a quick look at that rate so you know exactly how many Naira your recipient will get for every dollar you send. Rates can move, so it's always good to check before you proceed. Next, add your recipient. You can search or create a new recipient using their name, phone, or bank details, depending on what the app supports for Nigeria. Make sure the name matches the bank account to avoid delays, and double check the account number or phone number for accuracy. A single digit off can cause the transfer to fail or go to the wrong place, so take a moment to verify. You can also save the recipient to make future transfers faster. Now enter the amount you want to send in dollars USD. As you type, you'll see the Naira equivalent update on screen. Confirm that the total looks right based on the exchange rate you saw earlier. If the app shows any transfer limits or fees, review them so there are no surprises. Also ensure your selected payment method has enough funds to cover the amount and fees. Before you send, review and confirm all the details. This is your final chance to check the recipient's name and bank or phone details, the dollar amount, the Naira amount they'll receive, the exchange rate, and your payment method. If anything looks off, go back and fix it now. When everything looks good, tap send. Depending on your bank, you might be asked to authenticate the payment with your fingerprint, Face ID, or a one-time code. Complete that authorization to finalize the transfer. The money typically arrives in Naira instantly or within minutes. You and your recipient may receive notifications when it's delivered. If there's a brief delay, give it a little time, then check the in-app receipt for status updates. You can share the receipt or reference with your recipient if needed. And that's it. Open the app, select Nigeria, add the recipient, enter the amount in dollars, review carefully, and tap send. You'll be moving money quickly, clearly, and with confidence.